nursery class. This is your Mansi ma'am, and you know why today I am here? Kids, today I am here to teach you animals name and birds name. Okay, here I am going to show you some pictures of animals and birds. You have to learn these animals name and birds name. Okay.
So baby, we are going to start with bird's name. Kids, this is crow. Black crow. This is pigeon. Parrot. Sparrow. And our national bird, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Let's do some animals' name. This is dog. Cat. Elephant. Lion, and lion is the king of forest. Tiger.
So kids, do you like the video? Now what you have to do, you have to watch this video again and again and learn birds name and animals name and send me your video on the same. Okay babies? I am waiting for your video. Okay babies, bye bye.